ஹலோ வியூவர்ஸ், எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். பேங்கர்ஸ் கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் 23/6/2020 நடந்த இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் அப்ரிவேஷன்ஸை இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வானம்பாடி சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க அண்ட் பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. ஸோ நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் வரும். அப்ரிவேஷன்ஸ்: CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, CISCE Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations, DUAC Delhi Urban Art Commission, DPIIT Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, TEPC Telecom Equipment and Service Export Promotion Council, CAPF Central Armed Police Force, AWS Automatic Weather Stations, ITBP Indo-Tibetan Border Police, CISF Central Industry Security Force, SSB Shastra Seema Bal, NFSA National Food Security Act, NHRC National Human Rights Commission. Persons: DUAC Secretary is Ruby Kaushal, External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, Russian Foreign Minister Sergey Lavrov, Chief Justice of India Sharad A. Bobde, Bangladesh Foreign Minister A.K. Abdul Momen, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, China President is Xi Jinping, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga, WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Commerce and Industry Minister is Piyush Goyal. National: the proposal to construct a parliament building in time for Independence Day in 2022 was not approved by DUAC. Kerala's Disaster Management Department releases 95 lakhs to 3 private companies: SkyMed Private Limited, Earth Networks and IBM Weather Company to use ensemble predictions to improve extreme weather alert service in the state. UN Academy, in association with The Hindu, is organizing an online summit for civil services aspirants from June 26-28. Former President Pranab Mukherjee will inaugurate the summit. Mizoram experienced 3 earthquakes within a week. Abubachi Festival: the annual mensuration of the preceding goddess began at Kamakya Temple, Assam, without mendicants, hermits and devotees for the first time in almost 500 years. International: Russia, India, China trilateral meet will be held on today. Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jai Shankar, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, Russian Foreign Minister Sergey Lavrov is participating in it. Business: L&T Hydrocarbon Engineering, a wholly owned subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro, has assigned a MOU with KBR to build modular process plants for refinery and petrochemical projects. The farm equipment sector of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited has introduced a Sarpanch range of tractors in Maharashtra. SBI has mobilized 13,212 kg of household and institutional gold through gold monetization scheme. Death: Talib Juhari, Indian-born Pakistani Shia scholar who is also a poet, historian, author and philosopher, passed away. Sports: Leo Luke Madonka has won the Balaton Chess Festival tournament in Hungary. Thank you viewers. Once again, வானம்பாடி சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க அண்ட் பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் போடுற வீடியோஸான நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் அப்டேட் ஆகும். தேங்க்யூ.